Welcome back to biology class. We are discussing excretion in human body. In our previous class, we learnt about the process of excretion, types of waste excreted, and various excretory organs. Today we will discuss the human urinary system in detail. The human urinary system consists of a pair of kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are the main part of the excretory system. They are bean-shaped, reddish-brown organs that lie in the abdominal cavity. Let us study the internal structure of a kidney. A kidney has two regions, external cortex and internal medulla. The medulla is made up of conical-shaped tissues. These conical projections are called renal papillae or renal pyramids. A kidney is made up of millions of tiny functional units. Let us zoom into one small part of kidney. We notice a structure over here. This particular structure is supposed to be the finest functional unit of kidney. It is called nephron. So the nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidney. There are millions of nephrons present in each kidney. It is in these tiny nephrons urine formation happens. Now let us study what do the kidneys do. The kidneys perform the following functions in the body. They help in the removal of toxic substances and nitrogenous wastes from the body. Thereby, they purify the blood. They remove excess water, soluble sodium salts, and other dissolved wastes from the body in the form of urine. They assist in regulating the chemical levels in the body. They regulate the blood pressure of the body. They help in building red blood cells. Apart from all these functions, kidneys also reabsorb useful substances like glucose, sodium and potassium ions that the body requires and put them back into the blood. Ureters. These are two narrow tube-like structures, one arising from each kidney. They connect the kidney to the urinary bladder. The front part of each ureter is a funnel-shaped structure called the pelvis. Their function is to transport urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. It is a muscular sac-like structure. It is positioned at the lower end of the abdomen. The end of the urinary bladder is surrounded by special sphincter muscles which remains closed till the time of urination. Functions: it stores urine until excreted from the body. Urethra. It is a small muscular tube which ascends from the end of the urinary bladder and leads to the outside of the body. A ring of sphincter guard the opening of urethra at the end. These muscles relax during urination. Function of urethra is that it acts as the passage through which the urine is discharged from the body. Children, let us watch this video for the better understanding of the topic.
Have a look at the urinary tract system. It is made up of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located in your lower back, one on the left and one on the right. The kidneys can be thought of as blood scrubbers. Their primary role is to filter and clean your blood by removing waste. Kidneys also control the amount of water and chemicals in your body. This blood filtering process is what produces urine and is essential to filtering our blood in order to live. The ureters are two small tubes that connect each of our kidneys to our bladder. The bladder is located in the pelvis and made up of muscles. Its role is to collect and empty urine. There is a one-way valve within the ureters that helps prevent urine from flowing back up into the kidneys. When the bladder collects enough urine, it sends a message to the brain telling it that you need to urinate or empty your bladder. When you are ready to empty your bladder, the urine exits the body through an opening called the urethra. The urethra is controlled by muscles that work with the bladder to prevent urine from leaking. When it is time to urinate, the brain sends a message to the bladder for these muscles to relax and allow urine to pass.
So children, with this I conclude the topic excretion in human body. Thank you and stay safe.